Could humanity explore the entire universe? Even if we had science fiction technology, we are trapped in a limited area of the universe that we cannot escape. If we can't explore the entire universe, how far can we go? When you stargaze, you might think the space environment around us will be there forever. However, that is incorrect. You may also think that stars are born and die in an endless cycle, but it is not. For example, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is up to 110,000 light-years in diameter, containing from 100 to 400 billion stars. How many stars do you think are born every year? I hate to break it to you, but only around 3 stars are born in the Milky Way each year. Around 95% of all stars that will ever have existence in the universe have already been born. We are practically at the end of the universe as we know it, because the formation of new stars will continue to slow down. To make matters worse, the universe is seeming to rush away from us, combining the Milky Way, Andromeda, and around 50 more dwarf galaxies makes up the local group, our galactic neighborhood. There are hundreds of galaxy groups just like our galactic group that make up the Laniakea supercluster, which itself is one of a multitude of superclusters. According to astronomers and scientists, in total there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Even if we travel at the speed of light, around 95% of the galaxies we can observe are out of our reach forever. Why are these galaxies already out of reach? Well, it has to do with why everything exists in the first place, the Big Bang. About 10 to the power of minus 36 seconds, the newborn universe was a minuscule bubble of energy, but it wasn't all even. Some areas of the young universe were denser than others, which had enormous consequences. In a process named cosmic inflation, the young universe expanded rapidly from the size of an egg to quintillions of kilometers. This is why in some parts of the universe, there are dense and less dense regions of space. After the explosion, gravity attempted to pull everything together. In the denser pockets, gravity was victorious, and over time, they grew into groups of galaxies, like the local group. The larger the universe expands, the greater the distance between us and neighboring galactic groups. Even worse, the expansion of the observable universe is accelerating, meaning that our time to study other galactic groups becomes even shorter. We do not know why this happens, so scientists came up with a concept called dark energy. You can imagine it as an invisible effect speeding up the expansion of the universe. This expansion means there is a cosmological horizon around us all the time. Everything behind it is traveling faster than light, so everything that is past that horizon is impossible to retrieve for us forever. Like I said earlier, around 95% of all galaxies are already lost. Wait, if we cannot interact with it, how can we still see them? Everything we can see is via light. Every second, light reaches us from trillions of galaxies that have passed the horizon, because when their light was emitted, they were much closer to us. To clarify, we are looking at their ancient past and see their positions at that time. For example, if an alien was watching Earth 65 billion light-years away from us, if their telescope is amazing, they would notice the dinosaurs roaming around. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next video. Bye.